Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Medaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Microsoft Store appears to close immediately upon opening. So we're going to go about a couple of solutions to resolve it, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps. So, kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na WS reset. Ayan. And then, next step, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. So, this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Okay, so yan po ang ibig sabihin at kung ano yung ginagamit natin na command na yan na WS reset para mag-back to default yung Microsoft Store at mag-clear po siya. So once na-clear na natin itong Microsoft Store, so close lang natin, and another solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang yan, and then dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, kailangan mo lang select dito yung apps. And then dito sa apps, yung pinakauna lang na installed apps. So kailangan mo lang i-click yan. And then dito sa installed apps, so dito lang sa pinakauna ito yung search apps. So kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Microsoft Store. Ayan, so mag-appear ka agad dito, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Corporations. So ang next step dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click tong tatlong dot. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong advanced option. And then dito sa advanced options, so kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then dito lang sa reset, so if this app isn't working right, so we can try to repair it. So ang gagawin natin ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong repair. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. Okay, so once it completes, so ang next step, if this app still isn't working right, so kailangan na natin itong i-reset kung magkakaroon pa rin siya ng error. So kailangan mo lang i-click itong reset and then pop up itong notifications. This will permanently deletes the apps data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then i-click mo lang dito yung reset. And then wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so makikita nyo dito na dito sa reset settings ay complete na siya. And then next solution na pwede natin gawin. So close lang natin itong settings. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in on small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So ang next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And then dito lang si start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix Microsoft Store closes immediately upon opening. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.